Testing reward apps for 30 days shows one thing clearly. The best apps are not just the ones that promise rewards, but the ones that make earning, tracking, and redeeming those rewards easy to understand. By the end, you'll know what to look for in a reward app, how to test one before wasting time, and which features separate useful apps from frustrating ones. The first thing to check is how the app explains its earning system. A good reward app tells you exactly what actions earn rewards and how those rewards are calculated. Some apps use surveys, games, shopping offers, or other activities to provide rewards. The important part is knowing what you are doing before you spend your time completing tasks. The second thing to check is the reward tracking system. A reliable app should show your progress clearly, so you know whether your completed activities are being counted. Before spending several days using an app, complete a small number of tasks and confirm that your rewards update correctly. This helps you avoid spending hours on an app with tracking problems. The third thing to check is the redemption process. A reward app should explain how you claim your earnings, what payout options are available, and whether there are steps required before receiving rewards. Apps with clear redemption instructions are easier to evaluate because you know what happens after you finish earning. Another thing to test is the overall user experience. A good reward app should not make you search through multiple menus just to understand your balance, available tasks, or reward options. You should also check user reviews from people who have actually used the app. Look for repeated comments about missing rewards, confusing rules, or problems with withdrawals. A 30-day test should focus on consistency, not just the first impression. Use the app normally, track your progress, and decide whether the time spent matches the rewards you receive. The best reward apps in 2026 are the ones that keep the process simple. They explain the rules, track activity properly, and make rewards easy to understand. To summarize, check the earning system, test reward tracking, and review the redemption process before committing your time. Your next step is to try any reward app with a small amount of effort first and verify how it works. If this guide helped you find better reward apps, like the video and subscribe for more practical earning guides.